Look at Bip go! Awesome! Whoa! Mamey's gone really high in the sky! Huh? Where did Mamey go?
Fly!
No, Mamey can't fly, Toto. There she is! She's up in the tree! Uh-oh. And it looks like she can't get down.
Huh?
Don't worry, Bip. Firefighter Olette will know what to do. Olette! Olette! Mamey is stuck in a tree. She needs your help. Off she goes! Olette to the rescue! Don't worry, Bip. Olette will soon get Mamey down. How are you gonna get Mamey down from the tree? Would you like some help deciding what to use to rescue her? No worries, Olette. It's Dr. Panda Toto time!
Yeah!
Can you help Olette decide what she needs to get Mamey down from the tree? Okay, here we go! Right, guys, let's see what Olette has in her fire engine. She could use a fire extinguisher or a water hose or a ladder. Ready to pick? Which of these things do you think Olette should use? Yep, you got it! Olette needs the ladder to rescue Mamey.
Woohoo!
Whoa! Good thinking, Bip. You can keep the ladder steady while Olette goes to get Mamey. Great job, everyone! Now Mamey is safe and sound on the ground. Huh? Go ahead and join them, Olette. Have fun, guys! Awesome! Can I get a high five?
Yay!
Okay. There's Hoopa, and it's his birthday today. Hey, Hoopa! Happy birthday!
Hey!
So, you're having your party at Moo's house, huh? Whoa, that cake smells delicious, Moo. Hang on, guys. Hoopa needs to make a wish and blow out the candles before you eat the cake. Hoopa, your cake seems to be on fire. No worries, Hoopa. All you need to do is call Firefighter Olette. Olette! Olette! Hoopa's cake is on fire. We need your help at Moo's farm to put it out. Off she goes! Olette to the rescue! Quick as you can, Olette! Don't worry, guys. Olette will have the fire out in no time. Uh-oh. Is your hose broken, Olette? Oh, no. It looks like there's a leak in your hose. No worries, Olette. It's Dr. Panda Toto time. We'll help you think of another way to put out that fire. Olette needs to find something to use to put water on the fire. Can you help her choose what she should use? Awesome! Let's get choosing. Okay, guys, let's see what Olette could use to put water onto the fire. She could try a teacup.
Cup!
Or a bucket. Uh-oh, I think Mr. Mouse was trying to finish his bath. Sorry, Mr. Mouse. Or a pancake? Or a tuba? Okay, so should Olette use the cup, the bucket, the pancake, or the tuba? Yep, that's right. Olette needs the bucket to put water onto the fire. I don't think you're going to be able to eat your birthday cake after all, Hoopa. Oh, hey, I know. Why don't you go out for ice cream instead? Oh, and I bet Olette will take you all in her fire engine as a birthday treat. Enjoy your ice cream, guys. Hi, Bip. Hi, Mamey. Wow! Awesome tricks, Bip! Oh, watch out, little squirrel! Watch out, Bip! Ouch! Bip! Are you okay? Uh-oh. It looks like Bip has hurt himself. No worries, Mamey. All you need to do is call Olette and she'll come to the rescue. Olette! Mamey's calling! There's an emergency! Bip has had an accident in the park. You need to get going right away! Hurry, Olette! Oh, here's Olette to the rescue! It looks like Bip might have a broken bone. You'd better get him to the hospital, Olette. Don't worry, Mamey. You can visit Bip in hospital later. You'd better look after his skateboard for him, too. Did Bip need an x-ray to see what's wrong, Olette? Oh, I see. That x-ray shows Bip's leg before he fell over, and that one shows his leg now. Now all you have to do is figure out which bone is broken, and then you can put a cast on it. Would you like us to help you spot the broken bone?
Mm-hmm.
No worries, Olette. It's Dr. Panda TotoTime. We'll help you. Can you help Olette see which bone Bip has broken? Awesome! Let's take a look. Okay, first, let's take a look at the x-ray of Bip's leg from before he fell over in the park. So the foot bone is connected to the leg bone. The leg bone's connected to the knee bone, and the knee bone is connected to the thigh bone, And here's the x-ray from after he fell over. Can you spot the difference between the first x-ray and the second? You got it! Do you remember the name of this bone? Bip has broken his leg bone. Awesome! Bip's leg will mend quickly now that he's got a cast on it. Great job, Olette! Oh, watch out, Mamey! We don't want another broken bone around here. Don't worry, Bip. Your leg will soon be mended. Wow, look at that! Now you've got the coolest cast in the hospital. It doesn't look like a broken leg is going to slow Bip down. Hey there, Leo. It's a lovely day for a walk, isn't it? Huh? Are you taking pictures of the clouds, Leo? Whoa! An eagle! That's beautiful! Look at it fly!
Fly!
I can see why you'd want to take a photo of it, Leo. It's awesome! There it is, Leo! See if you can get a good shot. Hey, Leo! Don't forget to look where you're going! Leo? Oh no! Leo! Hang on tight! Call Olette to come and rescue you! Olette will soon get you off the mountainside! Quick, Olette! Leo needs your help! He's stuck on the side of the mountain. Which one are you going to use to rescue Leo? No worries, Olette. It's Dr. Panda Toto time!
Yay!
We can help you choose what to use. Can you help Olette decide what to use to rescue Leo? Awesome! Let's get choosing! Okay, let's see. Should Olette use the bicycle? Or should she use the ambulance?
Wait.
Or the helicopter? Okay, guys, should Olette use the bicycle, the ambulance, or the helicopter? Yep, you got it! Olette needs to use the helicopter to go and rescue Leo from the mountainside. Oh, great flying, Olette! Here's Olette to rescue you, Leo! Wow, what a cool photo that's gonna be, Leo! Awesome job, Olette! You rescued Leo from the mountainside and helped him get an amazing photo of the eagle, too! Wow! Hi, Olette! You sure are a real hero helping so many lives every day! All that your firefighter costume is missing is a superhero cape! Looks like someone needs your help! Olette to the rescue! Call them all around the world, the real rescue heroes. Call for help and shout out for the real rescue people. They're coming, running, jumping and diving, flying and driving, trying to help and save the world. Call them out around the world, the real rescue heroes. They're for you and they're for me, the real rescue people. They're coming, running, jumping and diving, flying and driving, trying to help and save the world. On their way, fearless and brave. They're so brave. Oh, and fearless. They're coming, running, jumping and diving, flying and driving, trying to help and save the world. The whole wide world. Thank you, heroes. Wow, Olette, you sure are a true rescue hero. Hi there! Stick around for more Toto Time episodes and be sure to subscribe to our channel.